Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this eye look right here using some brand new Sydney Grace eyeshadows. Look at these beauties. They were so kind to send these to me. When I opened up the box, I knew I was digging into these right away. These are so beautiful. It's not a bundle. These are individual shades. So if you just want to pick out a few, you can do that. And they're going to be permanent to the line. I'm going to show you guys some swatches of mainly the greens all put together and then the cool tones in the center with the names beside it. We have Recruit, Vanguard, Bravo, Major, HERKY Bird, Cadet, General, Commission, and Alpha. And then the next one is Thunderbird, Troops, Officer, and Admiral. They will be out on her site tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you want to use my code, I'm not an affiliate at all. These were sent to me, but I am not an affiliate. I don't make any money off of it. It's PuffinsY15. I will leave that information down below. But let's go ahead and get into this eye look. I'm starting off with a Vanguard number 18 in the shade Vanguard. I'm placing that on the outer corner, and as you can see, it is ultra pigmented. So before I pick up any more product, I'm just working on blending this out because I'm going to end up using this as a transition shade. I didn't want to go in and find one of her lighter shades from her current collection. I wanted to only use her new stuff. So I'm going in and just blending this out, and it does effortlessly without leaving any streaks or any patchiness or anything like that. And I'm using it all into the crease and upwards as my transition shade. Next up, I'm taking the shade Officer on a Smith 230, and I'm tapping that on the outer corner. Again, super, super pigmented. And after I get it on the outer corner, I'm bringing it into the crease about 3/4 of the way in because I'm going to add another shade in the inner corner later. But I just want to add a little bit of depth to the look. Royal Inlay Nickel BOM 46 and the shade Bravo. I'm taking that and I'm placing it on the inner crease, and I'm going to go back and forth windshield wiper motions to kind of meet up with the purple and then blending it out to make it a little softer. I'm dipping in just slightly and going in and going back and blending and going back and forth so that I don't make it too harsh of a line, but I definitely want to add like that touch of green on the front inner. With a MAC 242, I'm taking the shade Troops. I'm using this dry, placing it all over the lid except for a little spot on the inner corner, and then tapping over the darkest shade on the outer corner to make sure that they blend well. I'm going to wipe off that 242 and go back in with the shade Major. I'm going to pop that on the inner corner, but I'm also going to bring it up over the front portion of the lid, tapping just slightly over the purple. Now working on the lower lash line, I'm taking a BOM 47 and the shade Bravo again, and I'm going to place that on the center portion of the lower lash line and just blend it out. Same brush and the shade Officer, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of the lower lash line and make sure it connects to the top. Lastly, I'm going to take Major and just make sure that the front part of that meshes together with the green shade I already laid down. MAC 242 and the highlighter I'm wearing today, which is Amrezy from Anastasia Beverly Hills to highlight the brow arch. And then for liner, I'm using the shade HERKY Bird on a 716 from Delium Tools, and I'm using this wet. You're going to see me applying this to the lash line, but I'm going to go off camera and make this into a winged liner because I can't achieve it while I'm not close to my mirror. as per usual, I finished off the look using the Milk liners in Boss for the top and then BCC for the bottom to brighten everything up. But the shadows, just like all the rest of them, talc-free. They are so impressive. I love this formula so much. One day, Sydney Grace is going to be a huge company. I'm telling you, she's going to be huge, and she's going to end up charging Natasha Denona prices because that is what she deserves. I'm telling you, these shadows perform better than a whole lot of my high-end stuff. If you guys have not checked these out, not just these shades in general, but Sydney Grace's shadows, make sure you do. You are missing out if you don't. But let me know what you guys think about the new shades and this eye look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.